Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are doing good. Okay, right. Today we are going to learn meanings and fill in the blanks of the lesson 4 Air Around Us. Our chapter 4 is Air Around Us. All of you open your worksheets. Open chapter 4 Air Around Us. See the meanings, children. First one, breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. To draw or take air into. To take air into and expel means out. To draw or to take air into and out it from the lungs. We will take breath and we will again release it. We will again release the air out. This is the meaning. To draw air into and expel it from the lungs. To draw, D-R-A-W, draw or take, T-A-K-E, take air into and expel, E-X-P-E-L, expel out, O-U-T, out it from the lungs, L-U-N-G-S, lungs. Breathe, to draw air into and expel it from the lungs. Next one is layer, L-A-Y-E-R, layer means a thickness of same material laid on or spread over a surface. A thickness, Thickness, thickness of same, S-A-M-E, same material, M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L, material, laid, L-A-I-D, laid on or spread, S-P-R-E-A-D, spread over, O-V-E-R, over a surface, S-U-R-F-A-C-E, surface. Layer, a thickness of same material laid on or spread over a surface. Third one, atmosphere, A-T-M-O-S-P-H-E-R-E, atmosphere means the envelope of gases surrounding the earth or another planet. The envelope, E-N-V-E-L-O-P-E, envelope of gases, G-A-S-E-S, gases surrounding, S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-I-N-G, surrounding the earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth or another planet, A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another planet, P-L-A-N-E-T, planet. Fourth one, prevent, P-R-E-V-E-N-T, prevent means keep something from happening, K-E-E-P, keep something, S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G, something from happening, H-A-P-P-E-N-I-N-G, happening. Fifth one is exerts, E-X-E-R-T-S, exerts means make an effort to do something, M-A-K-E, make an effort, taking effort to do something. This is what the meaning. Make an effort, E-F-F-O-R-T, effort, to do something, S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G, something. Next one is mixture, M-I-X-T-U-R-E, mixture means a substance made by mixing other substances together. A substance, S-U-B-S-T-A-N-C-E, a substance made by mixing, M-I-X-I-N-G, mixing other substances, S-U-B-S-T-A-N-C-E-S, substances together, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together. Mixture means a substance made by mixing other substances together. Pressure, P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E, pressure means it is a way of measuring how much force is acting over an area. It is a way, A-W-A-Y, a way of measuring, M-E-A-S-U-R-I-N-G, measuring how much force, F-O-R-C-E, force, is acting, A-C-T-I-N-G, acting, over an area, A-R-E-A, area. Again I am repeating these meanings, children. Listen carefully and also repeat along with me, okay? Breathe, to draw or take air into and expel out it from the lungs. Next one is layer. Layer means a thickness of same material laid on or spread over a surface. Third one is atmosphere, means the envelope of gases surrounding the earth or another planet. Next one is prevent. Prevent means keep something from happening. Fifth one is exerts, means make an effort to do something. Sixth one is mixture, a substance made by mixing other substances together. Seventh one is pressure. It is a way of measuring how much force is acting over an area. Now come to fill in the blanks. See the first one. Air takes up dash. A-I-R, air, T-A-K-E-S, takes up dash. Air takes up space, S-P-A-C-E, space. Second one, we can only dash air. We can, C-A-N, can, only, O-N-L-Y, only, dash air, A-I-R, air. We can only feel, F-E-E-L, feel air. We can only feel air. Third one, the earth is surrounded by a layer of air called dash. The earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth is surrounded, S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-E-D, surrounded by a layer of called dash, by a layer of atmosphere, A-T-M-O-S-P-H-E-R-E, atmosphere. Fourth one, air has dash. Air has weight, W-E-I-G-H-T, weight. Air has weight. Fifth one, breathing, dash and dash, air keeps us healthy, B-R-E-A-T-H-I-N-G, breathing. Clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean, and fresh, F-R-E-S-H, fresh air keeps us healthy. Again I am repeating these fill in the blanks, children. You also repeat along with me, okay? First one, air takes up space. Second one, we can only feel air. Third one, the earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Fourth one, air has weight. Fifth one, breathing clean and fresh air keeps us healthy. Children, all of you read these meanings and fill in the blanks three times each and note down in your homework books 2 times each. Okay children, thank you. Bye all of you.